everybody, this is Teslon for Drop Top Tees. I'm here today to do a quick video to show you a repair on these cars. Works for the MX-5 ND as well, that hopefully you never have to do, but after putting on all my Christmas stuff, I have to do it. And that is, this is called a seatbelt guide, or in their parlance, it is a left guide seatbelt or something like that. Anyway, I was putting on a leather strap with bells to hang down here, and even though I've done it 4 years in a row, this time it cracked it, so I needed to get a replacement part. This is one of the things that is the exact same whether it's Fiat or Mazda. So if you don't have a Fiat dealer close to you, or it's out of stock at Fiat, go to your Mazda dealer. I got it, ordered it one day, got it a day and a half later. And it was only, like, with tax, $14. I'm not certain how Mopar prices it. My Mopar dealer is like half an hour away. My Mazda dealer is literally 6 miles away. So I went there and got the part. Had to explain to them why my Alfa Romeo, which they thought it was at the Mazda dealer looking for parts, because none of the people in the service department knew. And so I had to explain to them how this is a Mazda Fiat collaboration. But anyway, you can get this part at your Mazda dealer, and it's very simple. There's just 2 screws right here. And then it just lifts out. Here's the new one. I'm trying to see if it has the nomenclature on it. Oh yeah, guide left seatbelt. And so I'm just going to put the long things in the hole here, screw it back in, and I'm done. You don't need to tighten them down real hard, just hand tighten them. When they start to feel a little pressure, you're done. I was surprised at how easily I could undo the screws, actually. So there it is. That's how simple it is to replace one of these. Again, you can go to your Mazda dealer instead of your Fiat dealer, or if you have a MX-5, just go to your Fiat or your Mazda dealer. As I said, with tax for me, it was like $14.06 or something. It's under 5 minutes to do. Then, of course, you're going to want to guide your seatbelt back in. And you're done. Now, if you like the video, thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'm off to find some bells I can just hang through here without having to press down too hard on this, because I don't want to break another one. Have a good day, y'all. Merry Christmas.